Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, if you guys could probably tell, I have got VIP, 1 month star VIP. I am so happy and I'm so grateful. So yeah, let's spin the wheel because you know, I'm gonna try to level up. Sure, you know, I accept best friends, you know, because I'm a legend. Whoop! Okay, I need to screenshot this actually. Oh my god, wait. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna load the I had VIP before though, it's just I redone him because okay, let's choose colors. Don't know what that is. Oh god, okay, you know whoa. I don't care about those shoes to be honest. No. I am not breaking my are you are you serious? My piggy bank broke. Oh my god. Oh my god. Screenshot. The last level of level 13. When I spin this wheel, it is legit gonna be level 14. So, oh my god, I need. Guys, I am so close to level 14, like as you guys can probably tell. You guys have no idea how much of an excited I am. And look how much. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm gonna cry. Okay, we're done. So, what's this? My movie star planet VIP. As you can see, I had VIP another day ago. Now guess what, kids? I am now level 14. Yes. Yes, level 14. Claim. This girl texted me, so I need to say hey. OMG, I'm so happy guys, like I have no idea, but it broke my piggy bank. Like, no. Who breaks piggy banks? That just hurt my feelings. How are you? Good, thanks. How are you? Shout out to Nintendo Dogs Girl. Oh, 1-1. Oh my god, guys, let's go to the VIP club because you know we could do whatever we want, and we could get over millions of friends. JK, no, we can't. I don't know. I'm so stupid. Hey, best friends. Yes. I'm so good. JK. Okay. I'm weird. Bye. Hey, best friends. Yes, I'm so good. Haha. JK. Okay, I'm weird. Bye. And send. Please don't be any hashtags or I'm gonna Could I get some gifts, please, guys? Dunno. Let's go to the mall, cause you know we're Gucci. Oh my god! Wait, we need to do something. Okay. Look. Oh my god, why doesn't it show? Oh my god, bruh. You know, whatever. Let's look at the clothes. It's terrible clothes, to be honest with you. Who? This theme is just nope. And no. And no. I need to get something about lighting. Okay. Suddenly. I don't know what to record, to be honest with you guys, because I'm so funny. You like me, like Big Bugs Bunny. Oh, so you could know me now. Mom, I got a bird like a bug. Sup, dog, I'm the alpha. Whoa. Oh my god, is that what time it is? Oh my god, guys, what's this? J's and now. I don't know what to do. You know what else I need to do? Screenshot my character because she's so beautiful. Okay, that works. Let's go to the club. Let's go to the beach. Let's catch a wave. Ha! Have a dream, like me. I can't believe I'm level 14 now. What should I do? I'm gonna make a lock and then probably like buy it. I don't know. I'm so confused with this girl. Okay, guys. So that was just me telling y'all that I now got VIP. So a lot of you can add me now, which is good. Cause I couldn't really add that much people, you know. So that was hard. But so yeah. Again, guys, a shout out to the 10 dogs girl 1 for being so. You know what I could do? I could change the color, even though I did before, but I couldn't change it to a different color because just in case. It's part of the pink. Yes. Okay. I'm weird, so I'm gonna leave now. Bye, guys. Peace.